Working sheet metal is a skill and an art form that requires many different disciplines to master, and you're absolutely guaranteed to have some sort of experience with it in your restoration or fabrication projects along the way. Of course, the goal in all metal work is to get the panels as close to perfect as possible before any finish work is started. The cave it and pave it method used by typical craft shops has no place in your shop. Hi, I'm Sven with Night Mission Customs. In today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to use a large permanent marker to help get your sheet metal leveled up to get you one step closer to that perfect finish. Here we go. When working toward an exceptional finish on your project, the quality of the metalwork is especially crucial to the end result you're looking for. Usually, this means getting the metal much straighter than you can easily see with the naked eye or feel with even the most experienced hand. Conventional methods of surface indication don't work very well on bare metal. Spray or powder guide coats, for example, either impede the surface or simply don't stick, so the smallest and subtlest details can't be detected easily. Here's an easy way to solve that problem using a simple and inexpensive jumbo permanent marker. Think of it as an X-ray vision or maybe a road map to guide you to the most delicate metal correction work that you're going to run into. The process is actually very simple. The first thing we do is sand the surface to prep it and remove any micro burrs or other surface irregularities or coatings. This hood has already been sanded and prepared, so we won't go through that step. Clean the bare metal surfaces with a solvent like Prep-Sol, acetone, or lacquer thinner to remove all traces of oil, wax, dirt, or debris, and allow the surface to dry completely. We'll be using acetone here. It's drying very quickly. Now, we know that we have a small irregularity in this hood right about this area. So what we're going to do is we're going to color the entire surface to be inspected with the marker and let it dry thoroughly. You just need an even color across the surface. It does not have to be fully blackened. And then we'll lightly block sand with a rigid sanding block and 220 grit or 150 grit paper to highlight the high spots. Go plenty of distance outside the area of concern and get it all colored up really well. Try not to leave any absolutely bare metal surfaces showing through. And even though this marker has seen better days, it's going to do a good job for us as an indicator. Once we have that marked up, we'll let that surface dry. Nothing on my hands. We're ready to go. So what you do next is lightly block sand with a rigid sanding block and 150 to 220 grit paper. All you want to do is highlight the surface so that you can understand where to metal work. I find it best to work in a little bit of a crosshatch pattern, not unlike what you would do when sanding body filler, to get a good indication of where that damage is. Now I will tell you, as you can see here, we have two areas that are showing up quite easily as being areas of concern. These are very difficult to feel with the bare hand or even see with the eye, but as you can see here, this low area and this low area are very easy to spot with this method. So we'll clean that surface area up just a little bit. We can leave that indicator in place while we metalwork this area, raise these low spots, tamp down these high edges, and get that metal as close to perfect as we possibly can. And there you have it. This process can highlight even the tiniest of irregularities in the most delicate metals. And the coating is so thin that there's no appreciable buildup to get in the way of any other operation. It works great with shrinking discs and bullseye picks, and can be repeated as many times as required until the surface is just the way you want it. Final cleanup is with acetone and white paper towels until all traces of the marker are gone, and then you finish the surface with normal bodyworking techniques. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to hammer that like button and subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell to be notified every time we upload new content. Also, drop a comment in the comments section below if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, or if you'd like to see us cover a specific topic in a future video. I'm Sven with Night Mission Customs, wishing you the very best in all of your projects. And remember, the more you learn and the harder you work, the better your luck. Hope you get out in that shop and build something awesome. We'll see you next time.